going to do a video on NVDA Stock, Nvidia Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart here for you of Nvidia Corporation with a blue 200-day moving average, and we're looking at price coming up from a low of October 13th. A lot of stocks put in lows there. This stock had been in a bear market ever since April of 2022, still in a bear market, but approaching this 200-day moving average, trying to escape this bear market. Anything below a 200-day moving average is, technically in a bear market, and this stock's desperately trying to escape. You'll notice it's put in a nice solid bottom. It's put in a very consistent, very nice rally. You got the price above the green 5-day moving average. All of that's above the red 20-day moving average. The only problem is it's all below the 200-day moving average. So stock's still in a bear market, but it's making a good run. From here, the 13th of October, that's 108 bucks, and today we've put in a high of 168. That's a really phenomenal. That's a $60 run in a very short period of time. So you gotta love that. But still in a bear market. So my prognosis for this stock is it's beginning. If you'll take a look at it, it's accelerating and it's beginning to become overbought, which tells me this stock's probably going to fall back down to 150. So my prognosis for entertainment purposes, only just for my opinion, is this stock's probably going to drop back down to 150 here very soon. Probably this week would be my guess that we'd correct down to 150, and I don't think it's going to fall much lower than 150, but I'm guessing it's going to fall to 150, catch some support, and then rally up. That's what I'm looking at right this second. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, then we'll look at the hourly, and then I'll show you some algorithmically generated entry prices in just a minute. This is a weekly chart. We can see we came down here, tested the 200-week moving average. This was really all kind of normal for a 200-week moving average. You can see it bounced along here before in the past, and coming through here and breaking through is no big deal on a weekly chart. Came through, caused some support, and then this is that weekly bottom that I showed you earlier, the October 13th bottom, and you can see we've closed above the 200-week moving average and the 20-week moving average, and done it decisively, which is a great sign for the stock. So it had a couple of false closes back here in July and early August, but this is a really nice close, and because it's flat, it's much more important in terms of sustainability. I do think the stock's going to drop back down to 150, but I think it's going to catch some support because that's right around where the 20-week moving average is. I think it'll catch some support in there. What we need to do is get this 5-week, if you can span it out here, we need to get this green 5-week above the 20, and that's got to happen. You can see that didn't happen here, and it kind of just barely happened here. You got to get this decisively, this green line decisively above the red line. That's the 5 above the 20-week moving average, and price above all of that for this stock to rally above this $192 level. But keep in mind, it's still putting in a great rally right now. This could be just another continuation of this bear market, but in general, it looks like the stock's rallying, trying to escape the bear market and trying to get itself back in a great position to rally up further. So let's take a look at the hourly chart and see. As you can see on an hourly chart, the stock's definitely overbought. There's no question. So my analysis of it dropping to 150, I'm still going to stick with that. I think the stock will probably do that here very soon. We're getting this is a very, very weird hourly chart pattern here. Again, we're on the hourly. This is a 200-hour, 20-hour, 5-hour moving average. I don't know that I've seen something like that ever. That's just an extremely weird pattern, and it doesn't tell me anything because I've never seen it before. Something's going on there. My guess is it's running into tremendous selling, but it doesn't. It looks like tremendous selling trying to push down tremendous buying is what it looks like to me. So that's kind of weird. It looks like the buyers are just edging out on it, but I don't think that's going to last much longer. So on the hourly chart, a correction of 155 is definitely, there's no question about that. On a daily, I think it's about a $150 price correction is a good target. Let's take a look and see. Of course, all for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about this stock. RBAM puts out algorithmically generated entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. for 190 plus stocks. For today, for NVDA, we don't have any entry prices on it at all. That just basically means the algorithm didn't think today was a good day to buy, and we'll see what happens with that. We do put out 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. We also put out a trend following system for 10 very popular stocks, but 190 stocks are covered here. You can see I'm scrolling past them. You get access to all of them at rbamresearch.com, link in the description below, free 14-day trial, no credit card required, and you can get, in addition, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most, cryptos on suspension, the most liquid futures contracts. We'll turn crypto back on once the market settles down, but they're all updated before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Again, follow the link in the description over there. If you like this video, you can get custom videos made for you. There's a link, a separate link in the description to follow that over there for details on that. And keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk, and you should always do your own analysis. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.